Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to change the nickname on Discord. The first thing that is important to know is that you can change your nickname for each and every server. So you can have nickname A on server A and have nickname B on server B. Now let me demonstrate how that actually works. From the left sidebar, I'm first going to choose a server. After that, what you need to do is you simply click on the down arrow here next to that server's name, and then you go to change nickname. Now click on save, and from now on you will have that new nickname on that server. Please note that the nickname is not to be confused with your username. Your username is going to be the same amongst all servers. However, you can actually change your username. Just be aware that changing your username will result in you having a new username across all servers, but it will be the same username. To change the nickname on your mobile device, open up Discord. Select the three dots next to the server's name, scroll down, choose Change Nickname, input the new nickname of your choice, and then click on Save. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great one. Bye, guys.